Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to create executable jar file from Java Maven project. So normally in simple Java, when we build any project we get a dist folder, and inside the dist folder we get executable jar file. But when you build any project with Java Maven, um, then how to do it I'll show you in this video. So firstly, there's a simple project here. I'll just run it, and after running you can see the output. Just one moment. Yep. So here's the project. It's like a booking system. Students will be able to book any classes from um, the list down there, and that's it. It's a simple project. So how do we get the executable jar file? So for that I'll have to create an um, run and then clean and build main project. So after that it will build a executable jar file, and but we don't get any dist folder in our project. So you can see build success. So to find out our executable jar file, we'll go to our project folder. So if we go to documents and then Netbeans project, here's the project. So you can see we don't have any dist folder, but we have a target folder, and inside this I have four executable jar file, and among all this, the second one, I guess, yeah. Then um, so the second one is the our main project. So you can like rename it or use it in other places. So that's it. That's how you can get executable jar file from Java Maven project. Thank you for watching. Please